How to answer the assessments directly using Cankado Terminal app. Assessments are assigned by your physician based on your treatment requirements. To enter directly for answering the assessment, you will need an access code or a QR code for scanning. You will get the access code and a QR code in the welcome sheet provided by your physician. Type Cankado Terminal app in Google Play Store or in the Apple Store. Select the icon as shown. Install the app. Open the Cankado Terminal app when the download is complete. Here you have the option to select your preferred language. Select your language and click on OK. Click the Scan QR for scanning the QR code from the welcome sheet. You can also enter the assessment by entering the access code from the welcome sheet. Click on Start for answering the assessments. The assessment is now available for answering. This assessment, for example, has a package of 5 questions. Answer the assessment by selecting an answer option. After completing answering a question, click on Next at the bottom for answering the next question. Click on Finish after you have completed answering the assessment. You have now successfully completed answering your assessment.